Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve authentication failed on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve authentication failed on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click in this page here. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.